Imagine standing on a giant mirror that reflects the sky, walking through glowing caves that look like a galaxy, or exploring mountains so strange they seem to belong on another planet. These places may look like scenes from a science fiction movie, but they are completely real. Today we're counting down 10 of the world's most unbelievable destinations that actually exist, and each one will leave you wondering how nature created something so extraordinary. Pamukkale, Turkey, the White Cotton Castle. Our journey begins at the breathtaking Pamukkale. From a distance, it looks like a frozen waterfall or a mountain covered in snow, but as you get closer, you discover that these brilliant white terraces are made from natural mineral deposits created by hot springs over thousands of years. Warm, crystal clear water gently flows down the terraces, filling hundreds of shallow pools. Visitors can remove their shoes and walk barefoot through the warm water while enjoying incredible views of the surrounding countryside. The name Pamukkale means cotton castle, and it perfectly describes this natural wonder. It is one of the most unique landscapes anywhere on Earth. Antelope Canyon, USA, nature's hidden masterpiece. Our next destination takes us deep beneath the Arizona desert to the incredible Antelope Canyon. This narrow slot canyon was carved by flash floods over countless years. The smooth sandstone walls twist and curve into beautiful shapes that seem almost impossible. As sunlight enters through narrow openings above, golden beams of light illuminate the canyon, creating one of the world's most photographed natural scenes. The colors constantly change throughout the day, shifting between orange, red, pink, and deep purple. Every step reveals another breathtaking view. Walking through Antelope Canyon feels less like exploring Earth and more like entering another world. Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. A sky full of stars underground. Next, we travel beneath the hills of New Zealand to the magical Glowworm Caves. At first, the caves appear completely dark, but as your boat quietly moves through the underground river, thousands of tiny blue lights begin to appear above you. The ceiling suddenly looks like a beautiful night sky filled with stars. These lights come from tiny glowworms found only in New Zealand. They use their natural glow to attract insects in the darkness. The result is one of the most magical natural displays on Earth. The silence, the darkness, and the glowing ceiling create an unforgettable experience that visitors remember forever. Lake Hillier, Australia, the incredible Pink Lake. Our journey continues to one of the world's greatest natural mysteries, Lake Hillier. Unlike ordinary lakes, Lake Hillier is bright pink. Even more surprising, the lake sits directly beside the deep blue ocean. Scientists believe the unusual color comes from microscopic organisms and natural minerals found in the water. What makes the lake even more fascinating is that its pink color remains visible throughout the entire year. Even when water is collected in a bottle, it stays pink. From the air, the contrast between the pink lake, green forest, and blue ocean creates one of the most unbelievable landscapes anywhere on Earth. It is a place that almost looks digitally edited, but it is completely real. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, the giant mirror of the sky. Our final destination in part 1 is the breathtaking Salar de Uyuni. This enormous salt flat is the largest in the world. During the dry season, endless white salt stretches across the horizon like another planet, but after rainfall, something truly extraordinary happens. A thin layer of water covers the salt, turning the entire landscape into the world's largest natural mirror. The sky reflects perfectly on the ground, making it almost impossible to tell where the Earth ends and the sky begins. People appear to be walking among the clouds. Photographers travel from every corner of the world to capture this incredible illusion. It is one of the few places where reality looks more unbelievable than imagination. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China. The mountains that touch the sky. Our journey continues to the breathtaking Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. This extraordinary landscape is filled with thousands of towering sandstone pillars rising high above the forest floor. Some of these natural towers reach more than 200 meters into the sky. Mist often surrounds the peaks, making them appear as if they are floating among the clouds. This incredible scenery became world famous after inspiring the floating mountains seen in the movie Avatar. Visitors can explore the park by hiking trails, glass bridges, cable cars, and scenic viewpoints that reveal unforgettable panoramas in every direction. No matter where you stand, the Lat. Socotra, Yemen, the island from another world. Our next destination is the mysterious island of Socotra. Located in the Arabian Sea, Socotra is often called the most alien-looking place on Earth. Nearly 1/3 of the island's plants grow nowhere else in the world. Its most famous symbol is the dragon blood tree. With its giant umbrella-shaped branches, it looks unlike any tree most people have ever seen. The island also features white sand beaches, limestone caves, towering mountains, and crystal-clear water. Because of its isolation, Socotra has remained largely untouched for thousands of years. Walking across this remarkable island feels like exploring a completely different planet. It is one of the rarest and most unique ecosystems anywhere on Earth. Mendenhall Ice Caves, USA, a hidden world of blue ice. Deep beneath the massive Mendenhall Glacier lie the spectacular Mendenhall Ice Caves. Inside these caves, sunlight passes through thick layers of ancient ice, creating glowing blue walls that seem almost magical. The deeper you explore, the more incredible the colors become. The caves are constantly changing as the glacier slowly moves and melts. That means every visit offers a completely different experience. Water drips from the ceiling, while smooth ice tunnels lead visitors into a frozen world unlike anything else on Earth. Because glaciers continue to change every year, these beautiful caves remind us how powerful and fragile nature can be. Cappadocia, Turkey, the land of fairy chimneys. Our next destination is the unforgettable Cappadocia. This remarkable region is famous for its strange rock formations known as fairy chimneys. Millions of years of volcanic activity and erosion shaped these incredible landscapes. People even carved homes, churches, and entire underground cities into the soft volcanic rock. Every morning before sunrise, hundreds of colorful hot air balloons slowly rise into the sky. Watching them float above the valleys creates one of the world's most famous travel experiences. The combination of unusual rock formations, ancient history, and breathtaking balloon flights makes Cappadocia feel like a fantasy world brought to life. It is one of the most photographed destinations on the planet. Mount Roraima, the lost world above the clouds. At the top of our list stands the legendary Mount Roraima. This massive tabletop mountain rises dramatically above the surrounding rainforest with nearly vertical cliffs on every side. For millions of years, its isolated summit has remained separated from the land below. Scientists have discovered plants and animals found nowhere else in the Earth. Clouds often surround the mountain, making it appear as though it is floating in the sky. Many explorers believe Mount Roraima inspired Arthur Conan Doyle's famous novel, The Lost World. Standing on its ancient summit feels like stepping into a forgotten corner of the Earth that time left untouched. It is one of the most extraordinary landscapes our planet has ever created.